What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my kaspa maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with kaspa. Round 3, let's make that money. I told you so, guys. I told you so. I told you so. And congratulations, guys. Congratulations to those of you who got your positions ready, who got into your positions either on spot or on leverage. Congratulations, because right now you are probably sitting on some good money. All right, it's on some good money. But anyway, this is just the beginning of it. It is just the beginning. Okay, there's more to come. Anyways, we about to do exactly what we do every day. We about to check on our positions, and we're going to look in the market to see how the market is being performing, up, down, left, right. Follow along, compare your positions to mine, and excuse me, and we're going to see exactly if we did that bad or if we are doing that good. Okay. But before we do all that, guys, it is funny, very, very funny. Like, you spend a couple of weeks telling guys, like, listen, you got to do this, you got to follow this. Like I always said, not financial advice. You can do whatever you want to do. It's your money anyways. Okay, you can do anything you want to do. But I am the kind of guy, I'm not gonna sit here and ask you, come and join my what you call it, excuse me. I won't ask you to come and join my Patreon and pay me every month. I will not join. I actually come and do this. No, only one requirement that you have to do, or maybe 3 of them. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share them, and share them so that other people like you and I can benefit from this. I give you these signals completely free, so that you and I, that's why I created this my millionaire journey, so we can go from 0 to millionaire status. And that's the goal. That's what we're trying to do. That's why I give you these signals completely free, anyway, in exchange of those simple things I just mentioned earlier. But for weeks now, I've been telling you guys, don't do exactly what everybody's doing. You got to go the opposite way. Okay, the market is red, fine, get in your positions. If you're on leverage, get in your position, scale it up. Once you scale it up, you're going to see your liquidation point is going to drop. Okay, I don't know how you trade. Me personally, I don't use stop loss, and I don't recommend you not using stop loss unless you know what you're doing. I don't do it. I just scale my positions up and let them go lower. Yeah, for a while you might see red in the market, and after that you're going to see that thing bounce back up. Okay, I'm telling you, like, if you had entered, I'm gonna give you an example. Okay, if you had entered, let's say, a $300 position on kaspa, when I was talking about it and price was around that 16 cents. If you had entered a $300 position at 20x, by the time kaspa reaches 50 cents, that $300 will be worth $15,000, give or take. Do your math. You will see it. And that's what I've been telling guys. And still, people are expecting. Okay, the funny thing is that people are still expecting kaspa to drop all the way to 10 cents. People are still expecting Jasmine, guys. They're still expecting Jasmine to drop all the way down to 1 cent. And there are still other people out there also expecting Quant. Okay, they're expecting Quant to drop down to $40. And I keep laughing. I keep saying, like, guys, I don't know how else to tell you. I've shown you the funding rates. I've shown you the liquidation heat maps. I've shown you the price on the charts, the MACDs, the RSIs. How else am I supposed to say this? Like I said, the market is always taking most money from most people. Only people that know what they're doing, guys, are going to make more than enough money. We're talking about 6-7 figures out of this market. And that's how it works. That is how it works. There's no in between. People are going to go into the meme coins, like trading meme coins. Okay, which is nothing wrong with it if you're fast enough. Because you get you into a meme coin today, you go to sleep. By the time you come back in the morning, that that thing is down. You get left holding the bag. Because a meme coin has no utility, it has no value. But if you start investing into coins that have real value, something like kaspa, I'm telling you guys, kaspa is revolutionary. Kaspa is going to take over Ethereum, and we'll probably be looking at Bitcoin face to face very, very soon, and you will see it. Again, you will see when those smart contracts get launched. You about to see it. Something like Quant is going to make so much difference in this world when it comes to money transfer, the banks, crypto custody, all that stuff, real world assets, tokenizing. Quant is going to make a lot of money. And I keep saying this, and most people don't even I keep saying this, and most people don't pay attention to this. But guys, this is the whole point of this my millionaire journey. So we can take these steps together. We can hold hands, share informations, make moves together. This is the reason why we're doing this. Look at Jasmine. I'm about to show you right quick, because that's why I'm laughing right now. I'm laughing a lot right now. There's a lot going on in the background that you guys don't know until it pulls this kind of moves. Everybody's expecting the summer to be red, like most people are expecting to see green days at the end of August. And what have I been telling you guys? The green days are starting almost. They started almost what, a week ago? You need to get in before the market turns green. Once you get in, it's very risky, yes, but that is how you make the most money out of it. That's how you make most money out of it. When everybody's scared, holding on to their positions or their money, like, oh, we you know what? I'd rather close it and try to get in the market in a later day. And what do we do in the millionaire journey? We get in, we scale up, or even buy the coins on spot and just hold them. That's exactly how you make your money. And I've been preaching this thing for how long now? And those of you who have been following me for the past 2 or 3 months, again, congratulations, because right now you are sitting and you're still sitting on some good amount of profits. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's see how the market has been performing before we look at our positions. Let's go look at crypto bubbles right quick. Crypto bubbles right here. We're going to start. Guys, look at this. Look at all the meme coins, guys. Look at the meme coins. Meme coins are just draining out. They are draining. But surprise, look at that. Look at Jasmine. Jasmine is up 9.9%. That's what Jasmine is up right now. But anyway, let's go into much details, okay? We're going to start with the King Kaspa. As you know, the king always deserves the most respect. Kaspa, KAS. Okay, you can see Kaspa for the past 1 hour. Kaspa is down 1.4%, 2.7% up, okay, 3.1% up on the week, 6.4% up on the month, and 416% up on the year. Guys, that is exactly what you're looking at right now. Kaspa making moves. Like, this is so I don't know how to explain it. Okay, now let's go look at Quant. QNT Quant. There you go. As you can see, on the past hour, Quant is down 0.7%, 0.1% up on the day, 5.7% down on the week, 4.1% down on the month, and 32% down on the year. If you compare these numbers for the past whole week, this thing is moving sideways, getting ready for pop. This thing is going like slightly going up slowly. That's what I would say. Not sideways, it's going slightly up. So now let's go look at Jasmine. JAS. Okay, Jasmine. There you go. On Jasmine, this is where we're making most gains at. On the past hour, Jasmine is down 0.4%. 10.2% up on the day, guys. 5.7% up on the week, 6.3% up on the month, and 669% up on the year. Guys, you see, oh my God, this is just like, I don't know. I really don't know, guys. I'm just excited, so excited right now. When it's a different feeling when something you've been telling guys about, you've been talking about, it starts to come true. It's a different feeling. But anyways, now let's go look at the price in more details. Okay, let me open my trading view right quick. Okay, trading view right there. Trading view. Let's go look at kaspa first. Okay, like kaspa, no, let's come back to Jasmine. The king always comes first. So kaspa on Mexi. Wow, this is kaspa on the daily. Okay, so as you can see, like we was talking about yesterday, I told you kaspa was forming this bullish pattern, which we've been following this uptrend along. Okay, kaspa right now we form a W. Okay, W that broke all the way out, got rejected at the resistance. Like we had this resistance at almost 19 cents, got rejected and came back below this very big resistance. Like I told you guys, this resistance at 18.4, 18.3, depending on how you have your lines drawn, is also playing a lot. It's a lot of resistance right there. So kaspa right now, what I'm expecting it to do this weekend is come above, retest it. Okay, break above 18.5, 18.6, break above it, turn it into support, and now go retry this ultimate resistance at 19.6 or even 20 cents, depends on how you have your lines drawn. That is what is happening right now with kaspa. So let me go on the 4 hours right quick. On the 4 hourly, as you can see, wow, it's already doing that. It's already doing that. On the 4 hour, as you can see, we broke above. Okay, we are not going to go straight to go break that resistance. Always has to come back to retest the previous resistance, turn it into support. That's what's going to happen right now, as you can see. So it came down, it's retesting it right now. This is on the last 4 hours. Okay, the ribbon still looking high. You can see the price broke below and buyers quickly bought it right back up to sit on the support. Now to see it more clearer, let's look at on the 1 hour. Wow, see that? Exactly like I'm saying. So we went above, come back, now we are retesting it. Okay, and in the process we're forming a bull flag. In the process of completing this move, kaspa is forming a bull flag, which will have, if you look at it, probably by the time it breaks out, it's gonna take kaspa above that 23-24 cents. That's how I'm telling you guys, this opportunity, if you miss it, okay, if you did miss it all the way down here, if you miss that opportunity down here when it happened here, you have another opportunity presenting yourself right now all the way here. It is printing, so you gotta watch. You gotta watch. Or if you don't want to wait, enter position, scale it up. That way your liquidation drops all the way down. Okay, your liquidation can drop. Let's say if you enter position right now, scale it up in the position. That way your liquidation drops all the way down to probably 17.5 or 16 cents thereabout. Price, I don't think is going to swing that low anymore. It's going to go up because it's forming a bull flag right now. This is with the potential target to get to that 25-30 cents. But guys, I tell you, there is a lot of news coming out for kaspa, and that is about to make it to run. And once we get to that price discovery, there's no telling how high it is going to go. Anyways, now let's go look at the next one, which is quant, QNT. Let's go look at quant right quick. Okay, QNT right there using Binance. And here we go. You can see it. Exactly. Let me zoom out right quick. Because I do remember yesterday, go look at the videos yesterday. I told you we are going to try to retest. Look at that. We broke above the moving average, above the resistance, which is at $72, $73. Quant came above even the moving average, okay? But we can't go in a straight line. We have to retest the same resistance, turn it into support. As you can see, price came, retested it. Now we are battling the moving average and the ribbon. That's where we are. So I'm not surprised to see Quant to come one last time, test the $72 and then take off this time. Although there is more probability that we're going to get supported by the moving ribbon and then go above the moving average, come back, retest it, and then take off from there. Now, if you go on the 4 hour, let's go on the 4 hourly. Come on. There you go. If you go on the 4 hourly, you can see it even much more clearer, okay? Much clearer. How price broke above, came back, retested it, and right now we are looking to start moving up to try to go get go and retest this $74, $75, which is going to be the next support versus resistance zone. Now, I told you guys that this move right here is just forming the second shoulder of the inverse head and shoulder pattern that Quant has been forming. Now, if I go on the daily, look at this on the daily. Okay, see on the daily, this was the first shoulder, came down. This is the second shoulder. I mean the head came down. Now we form the second shoulder. If you look at it, we need to go above that $80. $80. Once price confirm a daily breakout above $80, this means it is going to run even higher to that $94, $95. All this is still in play unless price goes all the way down past $63, which again, guys, I'm telling you, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You can see right here, everything is going normal. Some people are even calling this is forming a double pattern, but the way I'm looking at it, no, I don't think so. I think it's forming an inverse head and shoulder. Like I said, first shoulder, the head, and the second shoulder. As you can see, we turned green already, so the ribbon is already curving. So we're about to start going upwards. Those are things that you got to pay attention to. This thing is about to run. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Grab this. You can see it. Look at the ribbon. See how the ribbon is beginning to form that little curve? It's about to start going up. So it's up to you to make your move, not financial advice, okay? It's not financial advice. It's up to you to make the move. If you go on the weekly, again, everything's still playing exactly like I told you guys. Quant is about to go above this moving average. Once we get above it, the first major resistance is the first Fibonacci retracement line, which is at $124, $125. That's what Quant is actually looking to go and break. Nothing else matters here right now. Yeah, there's going to be a little bit of hiccups, a chug along until it gets up there. That's what we are doing. And now if Quant was able to get above this, then we have another resistance right here at $150. Once we get above $150, guys, it's blue skies, because the all-time highs will be attained in less time than you think. So this thing right here has been making people a lot of money. So again, I don't wish you to be left behind. I don't wish you to watch on the sideline, but it's not financial advice. You can do whatever you want to do. It's up to you, okay? It's up to you. I can't tell you what to do. I'm only showing you what I am doing. Now, let's go look at Jasmy right quick. Look at Jasmy, JASMY, and we take the Binance. We take the Binance. Oh my God. See? Again, like I said, a lot of people are looking at it as an ascending triangle, which, yeah, you can look at it that way, because this line has been here. Let's see. See this line? If you trace, this line has been here since the beginning of the year. So yeah, Jasmy has been respecting it. So you see that touch, bounce, touch, bounce, touch, bounce, touch, bounce. So now this triangle is squeezing. It's all the way squeezing in. If you look at it, for me, when you take the distances from the top to the bottom, this is gonna take Jasmine all the way up to almost 5.5 cents. That's where this thing is going. But we have to go, we have this big resistance right here at 3.8. Once we go 3.8, we have another resistance up there at 4.4 cents. So Jasmine really need to break them. The first one being this one right here at 3.3, then the other ones will follow. But Jasmine, guys, Jasmine is getting ready to a major breakout. Now, I've been telling you guys about this for the longest, and those of you who really followed, again, you made a lot of money with this. So look at this on the last, let's go over 1 hour right quick. You remember yesterday? Yesterday, I told you the same thing, that this move, it was just as the previous ones. Look, price breaks down, plays along with the support and resistance, and then it takes off. That's exactly what happened. So you can see it took off, came down, got supported by the ribbon, took off. Right now we're getting supported by the ribbon because we got rejected over there at the major resistance at 3.2, 3.3, depending on how you draw your lines. So now I'm expecting this to go again and retry, and probably this time it's going to break this this resistance. Again, guys, do not be left behind. Okay, do not be left behind. Look at it. This is on the 4 hours. Look at this on the 4 hours, and it's just there, like on the money, guys. Price comes down, retest, and now up. Tested the resistance. Now we're probably going to chug along and then try to break above it again. This is oh my God, I'm so excited right now. Excuse me, guys, I'm so excited. I am so excited right now. Like I said, these are opportunities you can use to 5x, 10x, 20x your money. Although, again, I do not condone leverage trading, guys. I don't condone leverage trading. But if you know what you're doing and you're confident enough, below I do have my Bydfi, and I also have my Phemex. Sign up, guys. They will give you free money. They give you free money for signing up. Once you sign up, start trading. You can copy me, copy somebody else, or do you. The most important thing is that you are making money. That's what I care about. Okay, once you make enough money, you take out your initial investment out and then start growing that house money that they gave you. You're no longer running a risk. You're just trading the money that they gave you. That's how simple that is. But anyways, now let's go look at my my trades right quick. We first going to start with my Bydfi, which are my long-term trades, and then we're going to look at my short-term trades on Phemex. Although, like I said, there's that one on Jasmine. I think I would turn that Jasmine into a long-term trade because Bydfi does not allow me to do a 50x on my leverage trade on Jasmine. You guys already know I am very aggressive. I'm a very aggressive leverage trader. I like 50x and above, but it is what it is. Don't do it unless you have the experience or you know what you're doing. But anyways, let's go look at my Phemex, for my Bydfi first. My long-term trades that I plan to keep to the open to the top of the bull run, or as close to the top as possible, because nobody knows where the top is going to be. So let's go look at that. Okay, Bydfi right there. Let it load up. Now we're going loading. That's the funny part about it, guys. If you remember, you can remember what was my overall yesterday. Today, I am up 27,800. I told you I'm going to grow this thing to a 6 figures, and we're going to see it together on this channel. Now let's go look at my contracts. You see, kaspa, quant is still chugging along sideways. We are still almost $73. Now, look at the contracts on my Jasmine. My Jasmine contract, I am up 96%. 96% or 95%, which is $3,000. My quant, I am up 26%, which is 1,200. Like I said, it's been going sideways, a little bit up, a little bit down. That's what it is doing its thing. Now let's go look at the king itself. King kaspa, drum roll, I am up 88%, which is $7,200. 200. That's where we are right now on King Kaspa itself. Again, these things, man, we about to start laughing in the next 3 months. You're about to see. So now let's go look at my short-term trades. If you go look here on my Phemex, let me log in right quick. See that? That's exactly like I told you guys. My overall is now up $12,000. Yesterday I think it was down what, $9,000 I think it was, but now we are up $12,000. Now look at the individual contracts. Again, look at individual contracts on my Jasmine. Okay, I am up 236%, which is 4,000, almost 4,400. On my Kaspa, I am up 29%, which is 1,300. As you can see right there. Okay, you got to pay attention. Again, this move that Jasmine just started, we are looking at 5.5 cents. So by the time this thing gets to 5.5 cents, 0.055, we're looking at $14,000. Now you reevaluate the market and decide if you want to take profits or you want to keep it going. For me, that's what I usually do. I look at the market, see if the resistance is that strong to bring the price way back down, or are we going to keep going to the main target of this move, the move that started a couple weeks ago, and the target is at 10 cents. At 10 cents, we will be having $33,000 made. Okay, again, you do the same thing. $33,000 is a lot of money. You can either take some profits out, or you can close it and wait for another bounce. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at the market and see what I want to do. Or you can wait till we get to that 12 cents. 12 cents, this thing will make me $41,000. You do the same thing. Or you can just wait. The ultimate, guys, the ultimate resistance that Jasmine has on the chart is at 20 cents. At 20 cents, this thing will make me $75,000. Now, if I do not convert this to my long-term trade, I am going to take a lot of profits at 20 cents. And I keep telling you this. I've said this. I've said it almost on all my videos. I am going to take a lot of profit at 20 cents. Because this right here, at 20, after price can even come all the way down to retest that 15 cents again once Jasmine hit that 20 cents. So yeah, I'm going to take a lot of profits on this point, either in this trade or my Bydfi trade. Depends on what I decide to do. But anyways, now you got that, and you got you got you got Kaspa. Look at Kaspa. Okay, first of all, we're looking at 25 cents. 25 cents, I will have you almost $5,000. For sure, I'm not gonna take profits in this. Oh, it depends. No, who knows? Maybe I need some money for something. I might take it there. Or you can wait for 30 cents. 30 cents. This thing will make me $7.7 thousand. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take some profits here just for in case I need money for something. And then like I'm telling you guys, this thing is about to run. There's a lot of things going on with Kaspa right now that I'm not surprised that this thing can go up all the way up to 50 cents. Guys, at 50 cents, I have $19,000. Yes, here for sure I'm going to take profit. Or if by then we haven't have no tier 1 exchanges listing, I think I will hold on to it, because once this smart contract gets get kicked on and the volume starts to grow, everything starts to go the way it's supposed to, you're going to have Binance, Coinbase, grandma, grandpa, everybody's going to want to list Kaspa. And once they do, we are looking at something that probably $1. At $1, guys, you're looking at my position sitting at $48,000. And here for sure, I know for sure at $1, there's going to be a very, very big amount of sell pressure on the Kaspa coin. It's going to be probably it's going to go from $1 and then come back down to 70 cents or 80 cents, something like that. So yeah, I'm going to take a lot of profit here, or probably close this position and try to get back in when the price goes back to that 70 cents or 80 cents. I will look at the market and decide what I'm doing from there. So there you have it. There you have it. Round 3, money. See, I told you guys it was going to happen. I showed you the liquidation maps, didn't I? Now look at something before we go. Let me show you something right quick. Here, This is what I'm telling you about quant. Get ready for quant. See, on the weekly, RSI has already flipped. MACD, guys, look at MACD. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom in so you can see it. See, did you look at the MACD? Look at that. It has already started to curve. This thing, very soon you will see it cross. You will see it cross. Let me zoom it in so you see. Very soon you will see this MACD cross, in which the blue line will go above and the red line will go under. When that happens, guys, this thing, it will take off like a mad bull. Okay, it will take off. Just be patient, guys. Just be patient. You are about to see quant make a monumental move. You're about to see it, just like I always say, on every time, and you're about to see it on every move. You're about to see it. Anyways, that being said, guys, round 3, money. Thank you for checking out my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bells. Comment. I would like to hear from you. And again, please share this video so that more people like me, you and I, with millionaire minds, can join this my millionaire journey, and we can compare our notes, share ideas. Okay, again, thank you very much for watching my channel. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.